And at the G8 summit meeting in July 2008, the G8 leaders endorsed the recommendation by their ministers of quote-unquote the need to move towards a low-carbon society. So we thought that, yes, it's more than just technology, important as it is, more than just the economic aspect, but it's a society.
Right.
Encompasses the technology, encompasses the economic, but it is society, behavioral, social, which encompasses it, that will help this transition.
An international society, an international
and move
mindset.
Towards it. Absolutely. We are currently looking at 8 pathways. He said there will be more. A year and a half ago, we were only 5 pathways, and now it's 8. So any one of these or a combination of these should help all of us individually, enterprises, countries, to move towards a low-carbon society. First is technology.
Mm-hmm.
As you quite rightly said, the renewable energy, the bioenergy, renewable, solar, wind, tidal, geothermal, you name it. Bioenergy. Bioenergy, we are specifically focused on the non-food crop, so that we don't take away
right.
From, agriculture.
Food prices could go up,
food
shortages.
Prices go up. It's counterproductive.
Right.
Looking at cellulose type, other type of biofeeds. Carbon capture and sequestration, why not? So the whole range of technologies that we'll be looking at. But we are also going to be looking at sharing information, sharing know-how, trying to improve it, is so-called low-hanging fruits. It's conservation and efficiency. Earlier on, we just said, changing light bulbs,
right.
switching off the lights whenever we leave the room,
turn the heat down,
etc.
Little things.
Whole range, but little things.
Everyone doing it.
Add up. A lot of people doing that. 1 million people do that. 100 million people do that. That adds up a lot. So I would invite and request your viewers that look around your home, your surrounding, and there are many ways we can be lowering our energy. We can be lowering our water consumption. We can be doing so many things. Water. The taps.
You had told me in
How often?
prior discussion, water is going to be one of the resources that we're not going to have in years to come. It's going to be gold.
It will be gold, but the dichotomy is this. It'll be either too much of it in places where we don't really need it.
Right. Flooding.
There are no population. The soil is in such condition that we can't grow crops on it. Far away from human settlements, too much rain, too much flooding. Where we need it, it's not there. And at the time when we need it to grow crops for our food, it's not there. So water is one of those very elusive things. The total quantity in our biosphere remains the same.
Yes.
But the importance is
where
and when. And how it is. So water is just as important. At our home, our taps, do we close the taps? Every drop of it, every second, every household, it's a lot.
I mean, flushing our toilets, we're flushing away perfectly good, consumable water.
And there are now in the market these toilets which are very, very efficient, uses a lot less water.
Nay, we're running out of time. That was so quick.
1 more minute.
We've got about 20 seconds.
20
so
seconds.
Wrap it up, sir.
So to wrap it up, so it's technology, it's economic incentives, education, training, new partnerships, policies, a whole mix of 8 different pathways
Working together.
working together in different countries of the world, sharing information,
That's
sharing
key.
knowledge, so that we can move towards a low carbon society. The faster, the better.
Amazing. Very good. Thank you, Nay. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. The time went very quickly.
It did
You
go
said
very
to get
quick.
very passionate.